So we completed generic data source based on the table and the view. Now we will create Infoset generic data source based on the Infoset. Okay. The Infoset T code is 6Q02 SQ02 RSO2 for generic data source. So now you can see based on one table, based on multiple tables, we can create this Infoset. Okay, sorry. This Infoset. Don't confuse in the BW Infoset and outside in ECC Infoset. Okay. Now just log in into BW. Very easy. SQ02 code. So now you can see we already practiced it, and again I'm showing you. So when you are using only one table, then use this one. When you have multiple tables, then select this join using. Okay. And when you are doing based on the program, then you can select this option. But we don't use Infoset at all, but I'm telling you, the options are available. So now you can select this option. All fields will come with empty. Based on your requirement, you can select them. So I'm selecting this option. See, nothing fields will come. We need to drag and drop based on our requirement. Okay. So now I'm selecting my fields. These are the fields I required. So like this, I will drag and drop based on our requirement. That's it. So just click on this generate. Now you can able to create the. So if you want to collect into the transport, you can save it. And then if you want to create separate tier, then you can click like this. You can give proper descriptions as well. Now it will create our tier as well. Now it is generated. Infoset also generated. Go back. Now you can see display also. You can go display and now you can see. Very simple. And go to RSO2. Remember this name and give the ZDS underscore. So I'm going to create. So I'm giving MMIO and give the Mara. So if we are creating generic data source based on the table, view or function model, anything, you need to provide the descriptions. Now it is not enabled. See here, it is enabled V1 table and it is not enabled Infoset. Then you need to click on this extraction from view. Then what is our Infoset name? ZIS underscore Mara. Sorry. And save it. See, now it will create extra structure automatically. It's taking time. Our data source successfully completed. Now you can check whether it is working or not. Okay. See here, MMI0, it is saved. Go to RS6. Under this SAP R3, there is MM. Where is MM? And click on this MM. There is IO. Okay. Where is the MMIO? Where is our data source name? This one only, right? This one only, our data source name. Mara 2, right? Mara 2, second one. ZDS Mara 2. This is our data source name. Okay. Now you can check whether it is working or not in RSA3 level. So this is how we'll create the generic data source based on the Infoset based on single table. This is not multiple tables. Okay. This is process is same to replicate into BW, and you can load data, create info package, create transformation DTP and load to the DSO. That is common. So let's see, we'll create generic data source based on the info set with multiple tables. Okay, once it is working fine, then we'll see the test. See, now records are coming now. It is working fine. Now you can replicate into BW. Okay, let's go to the BW system and you can log in. RSDS common. Okay, data source name. This is how we will replicate into BW. Now we need no need to select any option. Just click on OK. Okay, now it is created. Clear? From here, you know, right? All the options. Now again, I will go to SQ02 and I will create the info set based on the two tables. I'll create based on the, so like this I will create based on two tables. Okay, now I'm using this Mara table. Select this option. Yes, last time we selected different option. See, now click on this. Now we can see all these options in the Mara table. You can see here header Mara table. This is the Mara table. Okay, now you can see all the fields and you can drill down it. So almost 170, 200 fields are available. Based on our requirement, you can select it. And now what is this option? Insert table. When I is clicking on this, now you can keep it MAKT. So we need both tables, right? So here how many fields are there? Just four only. So automatically it was taking join condition, MATNA. These two are same, right? MATNA and MATNA. Based on that, it will generate it, okay? And propose join condition if you want, okay? No additional relationship found, fine, okay? And if you want to give any alias table name, no, we don't require anything. And then I will click check, and do we have any issues? No. Okay, back. And now see, I'm creating empty group. Yeah, so now you can see these many fields are there. Okay, now I want which fields are required. Okay, I want these many fields. I want these many fields from the Mara table and I'm keeping it. What is this? So it came automatically. Okay. And then you can select this option and second one as well. So I don't require Matna. So I require this three and I will keep it to this time we need to move to here. Okay. So I got all the fields here now. Now you can generate it. Okay. Now we are going to save into another tier. Infoset based on the join condition. Join condition Mara plus MAKT. So like this will give clearly. See our name. This is the what tier name. If someone asks, give the tier. So this tiers will see. Okay. Now this is generated. Infoset is generated. What is the DS1? I mean Infoset name GIS Mara MAKT. Go back. It is created, right? Now you can display also. You can see it. See now it is there. Okay. Now we need to create the generic data source based on this Infoset. Again go to RSO2 or else you can go to SBAW. So now I'm selecting this option. Now click on with same name as well or else you can create. I'm giving this name. Create and keep it IO. That means IO means master data. Okay. So I'm giving Infoset name. Now again it is not enabled, right? Infoset. We need to click on this option. Then only it will enable. Click this and this is my Infoset name. If you are giving anything, if you are facing any issue, might be you copied not Infoset name, other name. Okay, now click on save. Now click on save. Then this is just information only. I'm saving my data source into same TR number. Okay. Now you can go and save it material number and material group as well. Okay. And save it. It will take some time because it is the info set. It will take some time. Now data source has been created. Now whether it is working or not, you can check it. Copy this one and go to RSA3. This is the regular check and click OK. If we are getting any records, then it is working fine. Even if you are getting zero records also, it is working fine. If you don't get any records and it is throwing any error, that means having some issue in the data source itself. We need to define properly. Check out the issue. Based on that, we need to fix it. Actually, this is the important one and regularly asking in the interviews. Generic data source will create based on the table, view, Infoset, function model. General question this one. Okay. So now generic data source is properly, it is working fine. You can replicate into video. So this is how we'll replicate this data source, and so I'm not going to create any DSO and all because you already know that we already created multiple times. From there you can take it up. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me and post any doubt as well. Thank you.